Next practical is experiment number 3, that is study of IC74LS83 as a BCD adder. So in that we will implement the two circuits. So first is design and implement for one digit BCD adder using IC74LS83. Again LS means we are using TTL IC. Next is design and implement 4-bit binary subtractor using ICLS 74LS83. Okay, so first we will implement the one digit BCD adder. So this is the IC diagram of this 7483. Okay, so in that we are using the B2, B1, B2, B3. Okay, and B4 are the inputs for the B set, and the A2, A1, A2, A3 and A4 are the second 4 bits for the A set. Okay, and then we are getting the 4 sum outputs, that is sum 0, sum 1, sum 2 and sum 3. Okay, and there is a C in and C out pin also there. So we will see that in the detail in the circuit diagram. So see here. So see here, B0, B1, B2, B3, A0, A1, A2, A3 are the 8 inputs are there. So a set of B, 4 set of B inputs and 4 set of A inputs. Okay, so this is the C out, this is the C out pin 14. Okay, this is the pin number 5 is the VCC pin number 13 is the C in pin. Okay, this is C in pin, which is we are going to ground, making it grounded, and then pin number 12 is again this is the actual ground pin for the your IC. Okay, so for this circuit we are going to use the truth table. So but why we are drawing this truth table, so I will explain you that this is a BCD adder IC. BCD means you are getting only 0 to 9 are the valid numbers. After 9, so BCD number doesn't exist. So after 9, so what you are doing, you are making it valid BCD. So you are adding the number 6 for making it valid BCD. So we have seen this in theory. So for that, this circuit we have to use, if the addition of these two numbers exceeds the 9, then we have to add the number 6 in your next addition. Okay, so this circuit is used for the adding number 6 here for the next IC. So we are using 274LS83 IC. So in that we are using the numbers, adding the number 6 इन इनवैलिड BCD एडिशन. सो जो भी आपको इनवैलिड BCD एडिशन यहाँ पे मिलेगा, इन दैट वी आर यूजिंग द 6 number. So you have to final output should be the valid BCD. So here you are getting the valid BCD addition. Okay, so for this circuitry, so we have to use the truth table. So I am going to show you the truth table. So in that the IC's output are 4 outputs are there, S0, S1, S2, S3 and one is the C out. Okay, so here S0, S1, S2, S3 and C out. So total 5 bits are input. So you know the how to draw the truth table for the 5 input variable. Okay, so here you are getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Like that you are getting the first 16 combination, that is 0, 1, 1, 1, 1. Next 16 combinations कैसे मिलेंगे? Again the C out will means higher bit, that is C out is your now MSB and this one is LSB. So making this MSB high because this is fifth variable. So इसको मैंने high कर दिया. After that again you are getting counting from 1, 2, 3, 4 up to the 16. Okay, so in that last combination, that 16 is nothing but your total 31 bit. Okay, 0 to, so you are getting 0 to 31. So means first 16 combination and you are getting again next 16 combinations. So next we are going to draw the K maps. So because we require the circuit for adding the 6. So I am drawing the K maps. We know the 5 for 5 variable we are using twin McCluskey method. But here I am using simple K map 4-bit variable K map. So first 4-bit variable K map में मैं first 1 to 16 combination consider करूँगी first part. Okay, so उसके लिए मैंने K map बनाया. So that is S3, S2, S1 and S0. So I am getting this equation. So that is y1 equals to S3 S2 plus S3 S1. Okay. So next अभी so जो second part था, second 1 to 16 का जो पार्ट था उसके लिए मैंने नेक्स्ट के मैप ड्रॉ किया. सो उसमें मैंने देखा कि ऑल द वंस यू आर गेटिंग इन ऑल द सेल्स. ओके, सो इसका एक बड़ा सा ग्रुप बनेगा एंड यू आर गेटिंग y इक्वल्स टू y2 इक्वल्स टू 1. सो दिस इज द y2. ओके, सो y2 इक्वल्स टू 1 मिला. सो व्हेन यू आर गेटिंग ऑल द सेल्स 1, सो बड़ा ग्रुप जब भी मिलेगा आपको, सो यू आर सेइंग द y2 इक्वल्स टू 1. ओके, अब यहाँ पे मैंने 1 to 16 कॉम्बिनेशन के लिए सिर्फ S3 S2 S1 एंड S0 देखा. सो अभी मुझे सी आउट भी देखना पड़ेगा. सो फॉर दैट सी आउट पहले फर्स्ट 1 to 16 कॉम्बिनेशन के लिए मेरा सी आउट कितना था, 0. सो माई सी आउट इज 0. ओके, अब जब मैंने सेकेंड 1 to 16 कॉम्बिनेशन लिए, सो इन दैट माई सी आउट इज 1. So you can see that in the truth table that 1 to 16 next combination के लिए my C out is 1. Okay, so you are getting the C out equals to 1. So अभी मेरा y2 का इक्वेशन कितना आया, y2 equals to 1 because you are getting all the cells 1 are all the cells are filled with 1 and here you are getting y1. So अभी नेक्स्ट टोटल इक्वेशन क्या होगा आपका, y equals to y1 plus y2. ओके, सो अभी y2 जो आपको 1 मिला, सो यहाँ पे भी मेरा सी आउट कितना है 1. सो दिस वन एंड दिस वन आर सेम, सो आई कैन राइट y2 इज इक्वल्स टू नथिंग बट इक्वल्स टू सी आउट. ओके, सो y टोटल y क्या मिलेगा मुझे, क्योंकि मेरे पास कितने कॉम्बिनेशन है 0 to 31. सो मुझे दोनों 1 to 16 दोनों फर्स्ट एंड सेकेंड पार्ट कंसिडर करना पड़ेगा. सो दैट्स वाई आई एम गेटिंग y इक्वल्स टू y1 प्लस y2. अभी y1 का इक्वेशन क्या है, S3 प्लस S2. This is my y1 equation, S3 S2 plus S3 S1, and this is my y2 equation. So that is nothing but your C out. So this is your total y you are getting here. Okay, so now how I am going to implement that on my circuit. So see here, y equals to अभी now S3. So I am taking this S3 S2. So इनको मैंने AND गेट को कंसिडर किया and so our equation is now from the K map you are getting y equals to S3 S2 plus S3 S1 plus C out. Okay, so here I am going to connect it. This is S3 S2 S1 and S0. So first is that this is one AND gate. I required one AND gate. Next AND gate. Okay, so I required two AND gates. So I am using one AND gate IC because in one AND gate IC you are getting 4 AND gates. Okay, so that's why I can use the one AND gate. So first is S3 S2, these are connected with one AND gate. Okay, so 4 AND gates are there in one IC. Okay, so here I am using only 2 AND gates. So 1 2 3 that is connected with, so you are getting S3 S2. Next S3 S1, this is this one is S3 and this one is S1. So next AND gate, that is 4 5 6. Okay, अब यहाँ पे जो सी आउट है वो भी इनके साथ कंबाइन करना है. सो यू आर गेटिंग टू डिफरेंट एंड गेट्स आउटपुट. सो हाउ टू कंबाइन दैट, यू हैव टू यूज द ऑर गेट बिकॉज यहाँ पे क्या है हमारा एडिशन मीन्स ऑर गेट. सो यू हैव टू यूज 2 ऑर गेट्स. सो आई एम अगेन यूजिंग बिकॉज अगेन 4 ऑर गेट्स आर इन वन IC. सो first OR gate, that is 1 2 3. So these outputs of AND gates are connected as the inputs for this OR gate. So you are getting output 3. This output is connected with now C out. So you are getting final output, that is at pin number 6 of OR gate, that is 7432. 7432 is the OR gate IC. 74008 is the AND gate IC number. Okay. So this 6 pin number is connected to now the next input of the adder IC. Okay, BCD adder IC. So ये कैसे connect करना है आपको, because you have to add here 0 1 1 0. So 0 1 1 0 means nothing but you are adding 6. Adding 6. Why you are adding 6? Because whatever the invalid addition you are getting at these pins, so this invalid addition is will get added with 0 1 1 0, that is 6, and you are getting valid BCD addition. So you have to make the A2 A1 should be 1 connected at 1 1 and A0 and A3 should be connected at ground now. So according to this arrangement you can add the 6 in this next IC BCD adder. Okay, and this is your carry output. ओके सो यहाँ से आप ये डायरेक्टली आउटपुट कैरी भी आपको मेजर करना है, चेक करना है, सॉरी, एंड यू हैव टू अगेन ऐड दिस विज A2 एंड A1. ओके, सो A2 एंड A1 पिंस में विल गेट हाई एंड यू हैव टू कैरी फॉरवर्ड एज इट इज these outputs S0, S1, S2, S3 will be connected at B0, B1, B2, B3 because ये invalid output है आपका. Okay, वो invalid output will get added with the your 6 number and you are getting finally BCD, valid BCD addition. So how you are getting the valid output and invalid output? We will check for the both the conditions. Okay, so when I am adding here 4 here 0 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 I am giving this inputs to these numbers. So आपको क्या मिलेगा एडिशन 0 0 then 0 0 1 1 0 and carry 1, again you are getting 1 here. Okay, so 4 plus 4 you are getting 8. So this is valid BCD number because this is less than 9. Okay, so this is valid BCD number. So what are your the outputs now? 1 0 0 0. Okay, so 1 0 0 0 you are getting S3, S2, S1 and S0. So you are adding with 1, you are here 1 and 0. 1 0 means you are getting 0. Okay, and again here 1 and this is 0. So 1 0 means again 0. 0 0 addition 0. This 0 क्योंकि अभी सी आउट जनरेट ही नहीं हुआ because you are getting valid. Okay, so this 0 is added with this 0, so you are getting finally 0 means यहाँ पे 6 add ही नहीं होगा. So whatever you are getting here 1 0 0 0 is directly carry forwarded as the output, that is 1 0 0 1 0 0 0. So you are getting valid output 8. Okay, so next example we will see the 5 plus 6. Okay, so 5 plus 6 means 0 1 0 1 5, 6 means 0 1 1 0. So the addition will be 1 0 1 0 1 1 1 1 0 and carry generated 1. So 0 0 and this carry will become 1. So what you are getting? 1 0 1 1. So 1 0 1 1 means S3 1 0 1 1. So S3 is 1, S2 is 0, S1 is 1, S0 is 1. So we will check the AND gate output. Okay, so here 1, here is 0, so 1 0 0, then here you are getting 1 and here also you are getting 1, so 1 1 will become 1. अब ये सी आउट जनरेट ही नहीं हुआ क्योंकि your output is 4 bit not the 5 bit. If you are getting output 5 bit, this C out will get generated. Okay, so only it's a 4 bit. Okay, so here 1 1 you will get the answer 1. So 0 plus 1 you are getting out or get output 1, and this C out is 0 and this is 1. So 0 plus 1 is 1. So this one will generate the output carry also, and here this one is added as a 1 1 here. Okay, so this 1 1 will directly connected with A1 and A2, and A0 and A3 are 0 0. So this will make you the 6, and that 6 is added with now 11 because this 1 0 1 1 is nothing but the in decimal 11. So this 11 is added with now 6. So we will see. So 1 plus 0 1 1 1 0 carry is generated 1 1 1 0 carry is generated 1 1 1 0 carry is out is 1. So this C out is nothing but this C out which is generated at pin number 14 of the second IC. Okay, and you are getting here 0 0 0 1. So 0 0 0 1. So this is your now valid output because 1 is less than 9. So this is your valid BCD addition because here you are getting pin 11, that is here you are getting 11 output in decimal which is invalid because this is greater than 9. So this one is invalid. So to make it valid, so we are adding 6 here. So we are getting 0 0 0 1. This is what is valid BCD addition. Okay. So this is output carry is you are connecting, and again the output pin of the digital trainer kit. So this one is I am writing here, and this 0 0 0 1 I am writing here. So this one, so can you read this one and this 0 0 1 makes your final output. Okay,
11.
Okay, so next part of this experiment is design and implement 4-bit binary subtractor using 74LS83. Okay, so by using same IC we are going to we are doing subtraction. Okay, so we are using here 2's complement method for the subtraction. So already we have in theory we have seen the 2's complement method for the subtraction. But again here I am going to explain you because it's very to understand the circuit. 1000 means your 8 and 0010 means 2. So I am taking two numbers. So 8 minus 2 should be 8 minus 2, you are getting answer 6. So how you are getting the answer 6 we will see by the 2's complement method. So I am taking the 1's complement of the second number, that is 2. 0010 का 1's complement होगा 1101 and I am adding here 1 because we have to take the 2's complement of the second number. So 110 carry 1, 0 plus 1 1. So 1 is directly you are getting here, then 1 you are writing here directly. So here you are getting 2's complement of the second number. So second number is, that is my 2. So this 2's complement is added with now 8. So that is 100 added with this 2's complement of the 2. So 1110. So you are getting 0 0, then 0 plus 1 1, 0 plus 1 1, 1 1 0 and carry is generated 1. So this is you are getting fixed number. So carry is generated means you are getting the positive. So answer is your positive. So carry denotes that your answer is positive. So you are getting positive 6 here. Okay. So next example we will take the 2 minus 8. So again take the 2's complement of the second number. So 100 का 1's complement होगा 0111. Here I am adding 1 for getting the 2's complement. So 1101, 1101, 1101. So you are getting directly 1 here. So because here there is a 0. So this is the 2's complement of this 8 number. Okay. So I am adding this 8, 2's complement of 8 in 2. So 0010, 0010 that is 2. Here I am adding 2's complement of 8, 1000. So here 0, 1, 0 and here you are getting 1. So carry is not generated. So you are getting this actual 1010 at the output of the your circuit. Okay, so that is you are getting at the kit. But is this a correct output? So it is very difficult to identify by 1010. So that's why, so what I am doing, I am taking the again so here the carry is not generated. Okay, so we know that our answer is negative, but it's very difficult to again identify whether this is a correct answer or not. So carry is not generated, so that's why I am taking again the 2's complement of the same number. So 1010, this is 1010. So I am taking the 1's complement of this number 0101 and I am adding 1. So 1101. So 0 plus 1 1. 1 I am writing directly, then 0. So this is the 0100. So you are getting the output 6, means your answer is correct, but this is a negative 6. Okay, because the carry is not generated. Okay, but at the kit output of the kit you are not getting 0110, you are getting 1010 and you have to do the theoretical work for this to make it to get the correct answer, that is 6. Okay, so now we will see the circuit diagram. So it's very easy to now understand the circuit because we are taking the 2's complement of the second number. So how you are doing the 2's complement of the second number? First you are taking the 1's complement. So how you are getting the 1's complement? By using the circuit, simply use the NOT gates. Okay. So I am taking here the 1's complement of the second number and you are by using NOT gate. So here the जो भी output आएगा that is nothing but the 1's complement. Okay. अब how to make it now 2's complement? So in this 1's complement I am adding the 1 here. Okay. So this is your plus 1. So that is C in is equals to 1. So at pin number 13, so you are adding C in equals to 1. So that makes you the 2's complement. So you are getting here 2's complement of the second number. So this second number, 2's complement of the second number is now added with the first number, okay, because this is the adder IC. So it will add the 2's complement of the second number in your first number. So directly here you are getting the output, that is the subtractor output. Okay, so this is nothing but this adder IC will act as a subtractor.